horrible versus good. It's basically pro versus noob. It's basically Copper versus Bronx. Yeah, let's see that. Let's see. We're gonna see today who's better. Those are the game shotgun only. Gentlemen's agreement. We gotta make it interesting, of course, ladies and gentlemen. You know, let's go. We're playing Bomb in Oregon. This is gonna be so interesting, ladies and gentlemen, because was that recorded? Oh yes, I was. My bad. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, banning phase. Orange team is Javian, blue team is Sam. No operator ban. Gentlemen's agreement, they're not banning no operator. Oh my god. Because that's Javian's man. Oh my god. Yo, it's shotgun only, Sam. You know that, right? Sam. Yeah. Great. Gentlemen. Yeah. You can use any gadgets. But your main has to be a shotgun. Or not your main, but like the main weapon that you use to kill has to be a shotgun. That operator and Javian goes with that character. Ladies and gentlemen, this will be the greatest matchup of all time. Better than Jinxie's matchup. Jinxie doesn't stand a chance against me. Yeah. But you only have to use your shotgun. Like the only weapon, shooter.
Attackers have located a bomb.
Yeah. It doesn't matter. Yeah, man. Damn, Sam already got the strats. Okay. You know, man. Ladies and
10 seconds to go.
me. You cannot.
5 seconds to insertion.
Oh my god. He fell off.
Attackers
Just like in real life.
defuse a bomb.
Action phase has started, ladies and gentlemen. Action phase has started. Sam is moving. Oh, my bad. I wasn't supposed to say that. They can hear me, but y'all can't hear them. Come on. Sam. Okay. We're seeing this in live action, ladies and gentlemen. Follow me on Twitch, Trunks_8. Word. Well, you will see a match. See a matchup every single day. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully one day we'll get Jinxie, but for now we can't do it. Or is that what I think it is? We're having some back and forth. We're having some back and forth. One minute 30 left on the shot clock. Right here. Wait, I thought you were using thing and not that. Wow. I was really confused. Wow. Okay then. So we keep it going. You. Oh. Something's going on. Oh my god.
Attackers have dropped the bomb.
Oh my god. That's a shotgun. That's the 2-shot shotgun, the sniper shotgun. Visual has ended Nox's life. 1-0. Well, wait, how much did you make it? Up to 4, right?
Defenders
Sam's gonna have a field day.
being defused by attackers.
Y'all know what I mean. Action phase. Javian looks like he doesn't know what he's doing. It's 1-0 right now, ladies and gentlemen. We're in prep phase. Do y'all want rematches? Yes or no? No rematches, right?
10 seconds to go.
Yeah.
Have to locate a bomb and defuse it.
Okay.
Attackers have located a bomb.
He found the bomb. Sammy Oak has found the bomb, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and of the century. Sam is going in full throttle. He is not scared of nobody. Any, you good. You got it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is hopefully y'all watching, y'all having a good day at home. Javian is fucking stressing his ass. Sam forgot to destroy the cam. Sam has forgotten to destroy the cam. I repeat, ladies and gentlemen, that has exposed Sam in a different type of level. Sam.
Do you want him? Done?
Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God! Oh my! Ladies and gentlemen, that has been an upset on legendary blindness. That man is a certified blind guy. Oh my God. 1-1. What you say? Yo, Sam, what are we doing? He has a shotgun? No, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what is Johan Javian doing, Nika Javian, fucking Sam doing, but whatever he's doing, that'll be the right choice, cause word 2, he might die. I'm not even gonna lie. This might be cheating. I don't know if it is, but if it is, ladies and gentlemen, no, I'm not talking about you, Javian. Oh wait, Sam, is it like the thing?
Seconds remaining. 5 seconds.
I mean, I count it. That's a shotgun. Yeah, I count it.
Attackers must locate and defuse a
It's
bomb.
1-1. JL Vax is orange. Sammy is blue. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Best commentator in the world, speaking to y'all from the East Coast. The East Coast. Yeah, I seen it. I literally see all the characters, Jaden. What do you think? Currently is 1-1, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, speaking to y'all. Word.
Attackers bomb
Oh!
located.
Nah! The legendary. Oh my God, this man outsmarted the whole system. He has outsmarted the whole system. Listen, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, can we pause this? Pause the game. Pause the game real quick. Pause the game. Yo, pause the game. Pause the game. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen. This man used this. Oh my God, if he messed up just once, it would have been over. I'm telling y'all. It would have been over for his whole career. If Sam did not land in those 2 spots that he placed his cap against, it would have been over. Javian would have died. This is peak. This is peak Oregon knowledge right now, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is peak Oregon knowledge. Oh my God, it's 1-2 currently as we speak, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, he is a. I will never judge you ever again. Oh my God.
Attackers need to locate and defuse as many bombs as they can.
Javian, yo. Oh my God, bro. You know the Oregon knowledge you need for that to work? Exact. It's peak, ladies and gentlemen. It's peak. It's a shotgun only challenge. Y'all know how it is. Word.
Seconds left. 5 seconds remaining. Attackers must locate and defuse a bomb.
Sam. They're literally staring at each other right now as we speak, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, hold on. Why are we using SMG? Oh, wait, yeah, I know. All right, never mind. Keep it playing. For his life. Yo, that sucker has mad rage. Yo! Oh, no. Oh, my bad. I mean, we already know. Okay. Yes, she does.
The attackers
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, this individual 2-2 as we speak. He just fell off the ground like a. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen. This is peak. Came off the greatest play of his life and just did that. Never again. Oh my God. Everything that I ever said good about you, quit. Oh.
Attackers need to locate and defuse as many bombs as they can.
That kid does not have a shotgun, and I don't care whatever you say. Yo, Sam actually made the greatest. Yeah, so Dogami has a shotgun. She has the visual shotgun. The shotgun, the Royal camera from Chinatown, bro.
5 seconds left before insertion.
Not even.
Attacker's objective is to defuse a bomb.
Oh, you user. I don't think you gonna outlast at that. You better play it safe and smart. He said he wants to try. GG's, ladies and gentlemen. GG's. We're going in throttle. He's going in full throttle. Sam is scared for his life. Sam is scared for his life. Sam is scared for his life. Oh my God! Yo! He just got the play ever by any individual in this world. Ladies and gentlemen, this man just got 2-tap. You know how horrible of an aim you have to get 2-tap? He won. The info from the insiders told me that it was a one person. Oh my God, it was one shot. It was a one-shot shotgun. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen. Don't ever underestimate gridlock. Don't ever. Oh my God. Clap it up. This is intense right now. Sam. He must lock in.
Defenders
Sam, if he does not win this match, he will lose. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it's tight, ladies and gentlemen. It's tight. Javian found out what character he has. Javian knows now not to play it safe. Now he knows not to be dumb when to move.
10 seconds left before insertion.
Sam, I think you played really bad.
5 seconds remaining.
I'm not even gonna hold you. And if that works, bro,
Attackers are moving
I'll
out
let
to
you.
locate a bomb and defuse it.
That's not gonna work out. Oh, we're in action phase, ladies and gentlemen. My bad, my bad. Ladies and gentlemen, we're moving. Nika Johan Javian, my bad. He has lion scan. He has lion scan, ladies and gentlemen. How are you gonna tell me and I'm spectating him? He has one of the best shotguns in the game. I'm lying, it's shit, but either way. Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Listen, you gotta really pay attention to what's happening in this game. It's 2-3 right now, ladies. He's upstairs. Javian knows he can't do no dumb plays because Sam could just pop out of nowhere.
Attackers.
Oh!
Defender exposed.
Oh, you want to do that, Sam?
Attackers are act-
40 seconds.
Defenders have eyes on the diffuser. Attackers will be protected.
This is peak! 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 4! Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Embarrassing.